Hi.
To start with the recipe, first, let's prepare our Spanish rice according to the package instructions. This will be the foundation of our burrito, and while it cooks, we can work on our other components. Make sure to measure out exactly 2 2/3 cups of rice. Getting this quantity right is crucial for the perfect burrito to filling ratio. Now, let's make our signature sauce that'll give these burritos their amazing flavor. In a mixing bowl, combine a 1/4 cup sour cream, a 1/4 cup mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of pickled jalapenos, chopped, and 2 tablespoons of that flavorful jalapeno juice. Add 1 teaspoon each of paprika and cumin, 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder, onion powder, and chipotle chili powder, plus salt and pepper to taste. Mix until everything is well combined and has a smooth, creamy consistency. Time for our refried beans. We'll need 1 16-ounce can. Heat them in a pan over medium heat, stirring occasionally to prevent sticking. You want them warm and spreadable, but not too hot that they'll tear the tortilla. This usually takes about 5 minutes. Here comes the fun part, assembly time. Lay out one of your 8-9-inch flour tortillas and spread a generous portion of those warm refried beans in the center. Layer on some of that perfectly cooked Spanish rice and sprinkle a good amount from your 2 cups of Mexican cheese blend. Finally, drizzle some of our creamy jalapeno sauce over everything. Now for the technique that makes or breaks a burrito, the fold. First, fold the sides over the filling, then bring the bottom edge up and over, tucking it under the filling slightly. Continue rolling away from you, keeping it tight but not so tight that the filling squeezes out. Think of it like swaddling a baby, firm but gentle. Let's give these burritos that perfect crispy exterior. Place your burrito seam side down in a dry skillet over medium heat. Watch as it develops a beautiful golden brown crust, usually about 2 to 3 minutes per side. This step not only adds texture, but also helps seal the burrito closed. By the way, since many of you ask about this nonstick frying pan that I use after trying several, I found one that really makes a difference. I'll leave a link in the video description in case you're interested. Time to serve these beauties while they're hot. The cheese should be perfectly melted inside, and that golden brown exterior should have a satisfying crunch. You can garnish with additional sour cream, fresh cilantro, or a squeeze of lime if you'd like. But honestly, these burritos are pretty perfect just as they are. And that's how you make this delicious recipe. If you enjoyed it, don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more recipes like this one.